Hi everybody, welcome back to my basement. Today, as you know from the title, it's time for upgrades because I can't live like this anymore. I wanna take this channel to another level, and to do that I need to start being more organized and have spaces to build, spaces to review and all of that, because right now I'm building a lot of stuff and I have to review a lot of products and I don't have the space, because just look at this. I have a lot of space, but it's all occupied by stuff I'm building or I'm working on. And every time I have to lose a lot of time cleaning it up. So I have to take all of this, put it back there, and here it's a mess. And I'm working on different drones, because like the flamethrower stuff and other stuff. And here I usually make the reviews, you know, the backdrop is here. I mean, I made 2 reviews with that backdrop, but still, it's a mess. And I have to clean up all of this, because I have to put the camera here and the stuff there. Also I have to clean that up, because I solder on there and it's dirty. And then, because there is occupied, if I have to work on other stuff, I start working on the table where I eat, basically, and it's crazy. And I start to expand all the way there. And I cannot live like this anymore. I need a proper place to build stuff, to store my tools, my solder, and just live there. So, and I guess I found the perfect solution, because that backdrop right there, the fake wall basically, it's really plain and boring, and I need first to put something on there to be more beautiful, more things going on, you know, it's more engaging, and also I need a place to build. So let me show you. So I finally got myself, it's so heavy, a friggin' workbench I found, and I found it for 80 bucks. It was even not the cheapest, but it's red, and I love the color red, as you know. So, and you know, I gotta show it on camera, so it has to be nice to look at. Let's open this big box. Let's try to assemble it, if it's easy or not, I don't know. Okay, here, don't open by craft knife, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do, because how do you even open this? And I got myself this little knife, and I guess it's not gonna do any damage to this. So let's flip this and let's open it. And boom. Okay, that's that's pretty uneventful, but and then would you look at this? It's so freaking thin. I hope this is not their working table, because I gotta replace this if it is. Then yeah, we got other, like this is the top shelf, and it's so freaking thin, but still. And it's nicely red color, and this is the drawer mechanism, you see, because it has a drawer I can put my stuff into. And it comes with the feet rest for the ground, and these are tool hooks, so you can hang your tools. And of course it comes with all the hardware you need. Very nice to see. And also we got all the instructions, so just like IKEA stuff, you know. And I thought this thing would be aluminum, but actually it's, I guess, steel. Very thin, but quite heavy. We have the vertical plate where you can hang all of your tools, and also it's I mean, this is not super, it's like pressed cardboard, as you can see, and it's just coming apart. I mean, maybe I have to make this out of wood eventually, because I don't really trust hanging my stuff here. Perfect! Now we laid everything down, and it's time to follow the instructions and build this. And so, looking at the instructions right here, it looks like we have to build the frame first, and then after we build all of the frame, it's time to put the basically the cardboard plates on, and it's done. And also look at this, it's very nice. Like, I'm not finding this one right here, because the picture is a little bit different, yet they wrote the number on it, it's a 2, so I know it's this one. And also, when you spend 80 bucks, you should expect 80 bucks quality. Look at this. No, wait, it's the other way, like this. But still, it doesn't wanna go in because it's bent like hell. So I have to get a set of pliers and bend it back. It's not the best, you know. Jeez. Boom. And I hope I got it right, because this is not coming off anytime soon. And this is my solution to drive stuff into it, so I don't damage the paint. And this is already a rubber mallet, but with this I guess it's gonna drive stuff in really nicely. So let's try this again. Yeah, okay, perfect. Wow! It works like a charm. It's perfect. Look at this. It drove them in. No problem. Perfect. And I just realized I got it all wrong, because these two gotta go down here, because here it's the tabletop and here is the drawer. I am a moron. I gotta do the whole of that again. Perfect. I redid all of that again, and now it's a couple holes down, so we can fit the top part. Nothing fits as it's supposed to. It's so crazy. Okay. This went down pretty easy. And you can start seeing the frame of the structure, and it's so lightweight and so freaking wobbly. Look at this. So now we have to connect these two parts. And the frame is ready, and I gotta say I love this red color. The top part is a little bit on the wobbly side, but it still needs the plate here, and the bottom part is pretty sturdy, I have to say, not bad at all. And still it needs all the pieces, so it will be much sturdier once I put them in. Very nice, I can't wait. And also this flows like crazy. It's amazing. I mean, 80 bucks. And we had some issues mounting it. Some lips were a bit bent and it was hard to put them in. And still something is a bit bent, but overall 80 bucks, I can't complain. And also it's pretty sturdy, but at the same time, look at this. It's not heavy at all. I mean, it needs the wooden parts right there, so it will be much heavier like that, but still, I mean, super light. And it's done. Nice. Well, not too bad. I mean, there is not really much. Maybe I have to cut it like this so I can put my feet underneath, but yeah, I can work like that. I can reach everywhere. Nice. I need to put a light on it. So yeah, that's one thing I need to do. And that will be golden. Nice. And also, look at this. It's quite lightweight. Nice. Fully assembled. It looks very good, actually. Nice addition to my room. It was a bit of a mess to assemble because the instructions weren't clear at all and I had to redo a lot of steps many times. Perfect. Now I put it there, I put an extra strip of fake wall, even if it's not all the way up there, but I mean, not that it matters, because you cannot see it in my videos. Like, I will be... okay, maybe I need to be... yeah. Wow, nice. Looks very professional some way. And now, remember, I need to put all the LED strips there, so it will look pretty good. And now there is all this stuff, like the soldering iron and all the other stuff goes here. I have place inside the drawer up here and on down there. But I still have to clean up the room, and that's a work for another day. So, my opinion about this workbench. I didn't really try it yet, working on it. I have a little bit of an issue with the leg room down there. Also, I put a swiveling chair so I can swivel like this and work on the workbench, work on the review, and yeah, very nice. But yeah, that's basically the issue. It's a little bit not ergonomic. Maybe I will cut, you know, a round shape so I can fit my leg on it. But that's a work for another day. 80 bucks for a workbench. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. I have a really nice workbench now. It's colored. It came everything in the box. It didn't take 5 days to build, just one afternoon basically, more or less. If the instructions were better, it would have taken me 1 hour to do that, but hey, cannot complain. It's done here, it's working very good. And all of this is giving me that feeling of, hey, I'm doing something very cool, and this is gonna be the home of so many more projects right now. So, I mean, I'm so happy. Also, let me know in the comments, because this is not my basement, this is my grandma's basement, and she does pasta and stuff like that, so I don't know when she comes and she sees this thing, if she's gonna be happy or what. I don't think so. Still, look at this. Boom! I'm so happy about this. It looks very, very cool actually. And I'm not done with LEDs, because this is only colored LEDs up here and down here. Look at this, it's so clean. And also I'm running on battery now, because there is no power in this side of the house, and it's a big issue for me, because I have to take power all the way there. And maybe I need an extension cable that goes, you can already see I'm experimenting. So I will add even more LEDs, like only white LEDs for when I have to work, because this light is cool but it's not really for working. I need more light. And as always, stay safe and happy flying. See you in the next time. Bye.